Good morning, my friends. Let's not have two icons right there. I am ready to upload my first video. This is my second video for the podcast that's being recorded. And if you watched the last video, you know I'm at Burbank Airport. I didn't get anything in Canyon Country. I didn't get anything where I found that hotspot with the doctors and the residents. Maybe they're working a little bit late today, so I moved to my third location, which is Burbank Airport. Now, I'm going to upload my first video and start recording until I get a passenger. And when I get a passenger, I'm gonna go and then I'll upload this, which will be my second video. And in this video, there's a couple of things I'm covering. One, I'm gonna show you how I upload my first video. Two, I'll show you how I edit. Three, somebody on my WhatsApp was asking me in CapCut how to put two videos together. I'll show you how to do that. Four, I'll show you how I create my thumbnails. And honestly, it's gonna be a multi thing. In the background, Uber's gonna be going. Hopefully something pops up and I'll say yes or no. And if I don't take any rides, I'm basically working. I'm hustling. I'm not wasting any time. And this is basically where I think a lot of you are following me, is real-time content creation, growing your YouTube channel. Mine's already at 350-ish already, right? And it's less than 2 months worth of work. And you can make videos like me. This is not hard. This is just screen recording, turning your face on and talking, right? And the editing I'm teaching you how to do. And my whole philosophy is simple. The faster we can stop driving Uber and be abundant and make money while we're sleeping 24/7, the faster we can change this for other drivers, right? As long as I'm driving, I can't create that many videos. I can't help the other drivers. And basically that's what I've done. I've dedicated my life to helping other drivers. All right, here we go. I'm gonna hide my face. We're gonna get started. In the background, I'm uploading my first video from this morning. The title is basically "A Chinese Guy Said White People." It's controversial. It's supposed to, get people to click and bring new people in. And then I'm trying something different. I put the date in and I said good morning. I've been starting to say good night at the end of the videos that I do at night. And then you'll notice, like, there's no thumbnail right now. The actual thumbnail that Uber suggested is what's going to be there, because that's how I roll, right? We're going to upload this. And we're gonna get rid of this $280 challenge that we did. And look, eventually throughout the day, you're gonna end up seeing stuff like this, where I will update the thumbnails, and I have stuff to create it, because today I'm gonna be wearing a pink shirt and the background's gonna be in pink. Okay, so let's show you how what I just did right now. Let me show you on my other channel how I do it. So I'm gonna switch my accounts. I'm gonna go to my main YouTube channel, which is this one right here. Okay, and we're gonna go into my gallery. This is the last video that I just recorded. If you look right here, it is 14 minutes long. All right, so first we're gonna listen to this video, and so I can get what it says in the beginning, and then that's gonna become the title. So pay attention. Good morning, everybody. We are ready to get started. We'll start the day with yesterday, where we finished off. Look, $1,083 in 37 trips. Okay, there you have it. We're going to talk about $1,083 as the beginning of the title. And I think I did that on my video last night that I ended with. So we're going to hit here. We're going to say send to YouTube. And notice right here, I've switched my accounts, right? So because I switched my accounts, it's going to my main account now. Now, the title has to be something with the income that I told you. So if you look over here, last night, I believe I already did that right there. Boom. Okay, now this morning's title is already in my memory, which is right here, right? So YouTube over here is telling you the title's too long. That's fright, okay? So now we're gonna get rid of stuff that we don't need. Okay, first of all, we don't need this, and we don't need the Chinese guy, right? So we're gonna get rid of all of that. January 6, 2024, good morning is fine. It's still too long, so I don't think I need this part. And there you go. And up to the check mark is fine. And if I put the check mark in, I can get rid of this guy. And there you go. Now we have a title. 1,083 and 37 trips so far in 1 week. January 6th, good morning, right? I don't even think I want the good morning anymore, right? We're going to get rid of that. And we're basically going to grab this whole thing and put that in the brackets. Now, do the brackets matter? No, I just like to break it up, right? I try a different title every single day on both of my videos. And this is my way of doing like A and B testing. Okay, now this title is good to go. I'm going to go ahead and copy it. I'm going to hit done. And for my description, the first thing I do is I have a description already made that works for me. I'm gonna grab this that has all the details in here for you to go to my playlists and for you to go to my content creation school. We're gonna go back to the YouTube and we're gonna go into the description and we're just gonna paste it. Now here, what I do is sometimes the formatting is off. It's okay. I don't mind. If I don't want it to be like this, I can delete this. And from yesterday, I actually have already done this, right? So let's go over here. Yesterday, I did it right around here where the formatting is correct. Right here, boom, right? So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this again. And now I'll have the formatting for today. And then it's already gonna be on this video, right? And basically, I don't wanna just fix the formatting every single time. It is important to have the title in the beginning of the video. So we're gonna go enter. We're gonna go to the beginning, enter. And now we're gonna put the title right in the description, and then I'll tell you why I do that. Right here, okay? So the money is here. What I'm gonna do is, where it says trips, I'm gonna put an asterisk in front of it. Whatever that is. What is that called? Pound symbol, okay? Once that pound symbol is there, we're gonna go back. Come on, Uber. Okay. So now that's going to show up as the first hashtag. And then so far in 1 week, I'm going to get rid of this. And I'm going to say 1 week. And then I'm going to put another symbol over here. Okay. We're going to go back. Boom. So now both of these are going to be hashtags that show up first. And then we can do January as a third one, right? Because every hashtag in my video, the first 3 are different. Okay. Now this video is ready to go. I'm gonna click done. I'm gonna go ahead and upload it. And while this video is uploading, I'm gonna go into my YouTube studio, which is down here. Boom. Okay. And I'm gonna change some stuff on it. Okay. So we're still on AA Creation 911 account. The video is 48% done. No problem. We're gonna come here. We're gonna hit edit. And then right here, I'm going to add it to my playlist, which is Rideshare Podcast, Maximizing Uber Earnings. I'm going to hit done. And now it'll show up there. We're going to hit save. I haven't created the thumbnail yet. That's going to be next, okay? Now I'm going to switch my account. I'm going to go into my main account, which is for the Rideshare niche, 349, which is awesome. Yesterday, we were at 328. So we've gained another 21 followers today. This is brilliant. The first video is being checked by Uber and it's got 8 minutes left before it's available. Same thing, we're gonna go here, we're gonna hit edit. We're gonna go down here into the playlist, put it on the same playlist, but this time the hashtag is first. Pound Rideshare Podcast Maximizing Uber Earnings. It's slightly different. I'm gonna go ahead and click on save. Now, it's gonna do its thing. And the only way this video grows right now is because of you. When you guys watch it, you guys like it, you guys subscribe, whatever it is you guys are doing, you help it grow. I don't do anything. If you look at the first video from yesterday, look, 115, 5 likes, 8 comments. I'm fine with that. Eventually, I'm going to create enough content where people are automatically going to, it's automatically going to start blowing up. I know that because my other YouTube channels are doing that. Let's go over here and I'll give you an example of that. If we go down here, the first video from yesterday didn't do too well, or the day before. Let's keep going. We're just looking at the first videos from every day. Okay, this one got 120 views, 7 likes, 8 comments, no problem. Let's look at one more. Boom, that's the one. This one got 950 views 4 days ago, 14 comments, 25 likes, and it's probably stagnant now, right? Because if it doesn't keep growing, that means YouTube's not pushing it anymore. And my ultimate goal is to get videos to at least 1,000 views, 100 likes, and sometimes 50 to 100 comments. Then the video just blows up and goes crazy all on its own. Okay, that's the first thing I wanted to show you. Second thing is, somebody was asking, how do you add a video in CapCut and work? Let's see if I can find him on my WhatsApp. All right, so over here, if you look on the bottom, I'm trying to add 2 videos together on CapCut, but I can't. I'm trying to learn. So this gentleman, he hasn't subscribed to my Patreon. He hasn't subscribed to my real-time content creation school, but that's okay. I want to help. If this helps him, I'm gonna make this video and put it on my YouTube channel. It's gonna help you, and hopefully you guys come to my Patreon and start asking questions, because eventually I'm not gonna be able to respond to everybody on YouTube. It's just too many comments coming in, right? And then the next thing that makes sense is have you on my WhatsApp group or have you on my Patreon, where I can focus on the people that are paying. But before we go there, so check this out. 64 Sarman YouTube Uber LA. He's here in LA, and he gave me a great tip over here. Let me hide my face. This is what he uses on an app called, I think, Nextdoor. I offer clean luxury transportation service in Los Angeles County. Okay, there you go. I offer clean luxury transportation service in Los Angeles County. 20% off Uber Black quote. 2020. Next video will start where I left off.